I wonder what I'm gonna do next. I thought I might as well show this to you because there could be some tips I've got for you. Here's some stuff. Carpet spot remover, instant spot remover. And it's a special stuff. Now I don't know how much this costs. Probably anywhere from $7 to $10 for just this one little container. And yes, it's gonna work. I'm sure it's gonna work. We're gonna try it. I'm gonna try that in a minute. And this carpet, it probably needs a good shampooing, but there's certain little spots here. See those spots right here? And you can just kind of follow them around. There's another one. There's some more. There's some more. There's some more right there, right in front of the chair right there. And we can just kind of walk around and see them in different spots. There's another little spot. And since I have the cleaning solution out, I'm going to hit these a little bit. And I want to show you maybe a little, not necessarily a trick, but maybe a way to save a little bit of money on your spot cleaning. Let's look in here and see. I better turn the light switch on. I got it on this little remote. Okay. See here, there's a spot right there. And I kind of look around. Here's some more in there. And I'm getting ready to head on out of Dodge, but I told my mother I'd take care of some stuff. And so obviously she gave me a to-do list, a honey-do list as it were. And I'm on my way doing that. Let's look in this bedroom here. Just this whole edge right here looks a little suspect there, doesn't it? There's another little spot there. And see, you can just kind of stand back and take a look at certain things. And we can go ahead and fix these spots without shampooing all the carpets yet. The carpets probably need to be shampooed. You know, Mother is trying to pinch her pennies. And I told her I'd try to help her with that. Okay, so we've got that instant spot remover. Can you see how expensive it's going to be on this if I just use this? There's no way I'm gonna get everything with this, and this container is only maybe full to there. Well, there's something else that can be used, and I might as well show you that right now. I'm gonna take Simple Green right here, and I'm gonna use that. And you get a gallon of this stuff. Check this out. That could be $10 right there. This right here could cost you $10. This makes 12 gallons. Can make 12 gallons of general cleaner. Simple Green all-purpose cleaner. And I've used this on carpets before. And you know how much 12 gallons is if you put it in little containers like this? Lots. If this is a quart, 4 quarts to a gallon. So 12 times 4, 48 of these for $10 of this. You know how much $48 of this would be? $480 if it was $10 per bottle. And if you get something that's specifically for carpet spot remover, that's about what you're going to pay for that. And I really don't want to spend $480 on spot remover for 12 gallons of it. At that point, I might as well spend $150 and get the carpets cleaned or something. You could rent a carpet cleaner for that. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I found this little container, by the way. I was looking around for containers and I couldn't find anything. I was going to use this. My mother made a concoction out of Dawn liquid detergent and water, and she sprays her weeds with that. Is that all that's on here, Mother?
Is the weed killer?
The weed killer, is it just out of Dawn and water, or was there something else that you put in there?
Epsom salts, I think it was.
Epsom salts?
Just a minute, I had the
you have it written down right there?
weed be gone.
Okay.
1 gallon of vinegar.
Okay.
2 cups of Epsom salt. 1/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. The blue original.
The blue original Dawn, and that's what made this container right here, right?
Oh, made a whole gallon of it.
Oh, it made a gallon, and this is only probably a quart, so it made 4 of these.
Yeah, because you use a gallon of vinegar.
And so what do you use that for?
You mix and spray in the AM and that's after the dew has evaporated.
Yeah.
Then you walk away
Ooh.
and you go back after dinner, weeds gone.
Weed be gone. Okay, so that's just for weed killer. You don't spray this on your plants for anything. Because I thought we made, you know, there was something else I heard once upon a time. Just Dawn liquid soap. You know your special plant out there from Hawaii?
Oh, yeah, I've had
with water.
bugs on
I
it or
sprayed
something.
that like that before, and that worked. Okay?
Not that.
But this is for weed killer, and this is a cheap way, by the way, to make your weed killer. Okay, thank you, Motha.
You're very welcome.
Okay, so I was just going to dump that out because I knew I could rinse that out, and I was going to use that container for a spray container for the simple green. Because see, you're not going to put that simple green on there just with full concentrate, and that's what was in that gallon container over there, okay? So I rummaged around and I found this right here. So see this here? I only put this much simple green in there, and I'm probably overdoing it, by the way. I probably could have had a little less than that. And so I'm just going to fill this up now. And see, when there's bubbles left, just take the bubbles out. It's not hurting anything. You want to get this all the way up there like this, okay? Now I'm going to use this. This is my carpet spot remover. What do you think about that? You think that's going to work? Well, you'll find out in a minute.